Did you know that the longest case of hiccups was 68 years? Charles Osborne holds the Guinness World Record for the longest case of hiccups, lasting 68 years. His hiccups began after a fall in 1922, which caused a small brain injury. Osborne hiccuped around 20 to 40 times per minute, totaling approximately 430 million hiccups in his lifetime. Despite seeking a cure worldwide and offering a reward, he could only manage to cope with his condition. In 1990, his hiccups suddenly ceased on their own, and Osborne passed away less than a year later, finally enjoying hiccup-free days towards the end of his life.